Welcome to AndroIndian. In this video, we explore the 6 core principles of modern project management that drive real success.
Tools and methodologies change, but principles remain constant. They guide how project professionals think, decide, and act in an ever-evolving landscape.
Modern project management is principle-based, not rule-based, allowing flexibility across different projects and environments, from startups in Bengaluru to infrastructure giants.
No two projects are the same. Principles help professionals adapt without losing direction, ensuring strategic alignment even in high-stakes environments.
Today, we dive into the first half of these foundational elements: stewardship, team, and stakeholder engagement. Let's break them down.
The first principle is stewardship. It's about more than just managing. It's about being a diligent, respectful, and caring guardian of resources.
Stewardship involves integrity, care, and a commitment to professional excellence. It means acting with authority and responsibility within your organization. In modern project management, stewardship ensures that every decision aligns with organizational values and the broader impact on the community. Next is the principle of team. Projects are delivered by people. Creating a collaborative project team environment is essential for success.
A project team is a community with shared goals. Promoting a culture of respect and accountability leads to higher value delivery systems.
The team principle focuses on individual and collective learning, which is critical in fast-paced sectors like Android development and AI.
The third principle is effectively engaging with stakeholders. Stakeholders are anyone affected by the project or its outcomes.
Engagement is proactive. It involves understanding their needs, influence, and impact to foster productive relationships and alignment.
By engaging stakeholders early and often, we ensure that the project delivers meaningful value and meets real-world requirements.
Whether it's a logistics tracking system or a national UPI upgrade, these principles remain the foundation of professional project leadership.
Modern PM focuses on value. Projects are not just about checking boxes. They are about achieving outcomes that matter to the business and the user.
This brings us to systems thinking. We must recognize, evaluate, and respond to the system interactions within our project ecosystem. Understanding these connections helps us anticipate risks and optimize performance across the entire framework of the organization. Finally, we have leadership. Leadership is a behavior, not just a title. It's about influencing and motivating others to achieve excellence. At AndroIndian, we believe that mastering these principles is the first step toward becoming a truly strategic project leader. We've covered the first half of the 6 principles today. Each one is a vital component of the modern project management lifecycle. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for part 2, where we explore these principles in even deeper technical detail. Visit AndroIndian.com for more professional resources. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.